Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my bathroom. And it's Sunday fun day. And every Sunday I usually wash my hair. So I thought I'd invite everybody into my bathroom and show you guys my after wash hair care routine. You guys, it's pretty simple. A couple steps. Let me show you. So of course in the shower we did a double cleanse. First things first, you guys, I don't like working with tangled hair. So we want to make sure that our hair is as tangle free as possible. It should already be somewhat close to being not free, because you wanted to make sure you brushed it before you went into the shower and washed it, and you were working with it with a wet brush or something like that, a wide tooth comb in the shower, to make sure your hair stays tangle free. But I like to go in first with my unknot detangler. This is a godsend because my hair dreads up in the back. So I know when I spray this guy on there, my hair is gonna stay knot free until I wash it again. So just a couple of squirts, front and back. And I wanna make sure that I address the areas in the nape of my neck where I know I get my dreads, you guys. Let it set a couple seconds, 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna go ahead and brush your hair from the ends and work your way up to the mid, all the way up to your scalp. Working those knots out. I don't have too many, and the ones that I do have are coming out rather easy, as you can see. Simple. The next step, I'm gonna go in with this guy, you guys, the hair thinning defense serum. You guys, this is a new guy on the market. We want to make sure that we're treating our scalp with this to prevent thinning. I'm just gonna rub it in. Get about 2 to 3 droppers of this and rub it in all over your scalp. And that's gonna prevent thinning. Next step, you guys, frizz fix. I have frizzy hair. If you have frizzy hair, this is something you want to do. Definitely frizz fix. It also helps fight humidity for up to like 72 hours. It's crazy. I don't know. I noticed that I don't really have to reapply it, but you can layer it if need be, if you have really curly or frizzy hair, over processed. All of these products are layerable, which is amazing. You can layer them on wet and dry hair. And you're just gonna work the frizz fix from the crown to about the mid, pulling it down towards the ends. You don't really have to coat the ends because ends aren't really frizzy. They're more damaged or broken. And that's when we come in with the split end mender, you guys, which I love. Essential, must, need, have, always on deck, okay? Like, I can't express this enough. 3 or 4 pumps of this guy. And I like to activate it, emulsify it a little bit. And you'll notice it turns a little white. And you're just gonna work that from your mid strands to your ends. And that's where all your breakage is, all your split ends. And just work that in. This little product can reduce having to need a haircut, because we can mend our ends when they split. I went from getting 13 haircuts a year to 1. So next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This one is the Bond Repair. And because I have color treated hair, I like to use the Bond Repair because that reduces breakage up to like 97%. And we want long, healthy, beautiful hair. And we all know that color treating your hair, traction damage, always traveling. So I want to make sure that I keep the bonds in my hair from heat, the environment, all those types of things. I want to make sure that my hair is healthy, not just You know, healthy scalp, healthy hair, happy girl. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to use this blow dry cream. We also make an air dry cream that I absolutely love, and I use it way more than my blow dry cream. But because I want to show you how my hair looks when I dry it so you can see the results, we're going to use this blow dry cream, which actually has heat protectant in it, and it can protect your hair up to 450 degrees. If you're like, that's not enough because like the blow dry, whatever, we also make two different types of hair heat protectant. One is a heat protectant spray, and one is a heat protectant shield cream. So you can layer up on that. But I usually like to bring those in if I'm going to use like a hot tool afterwards, after I blow dry my hair. But that's up to you. So, blow dry cream. Again, it has the blow dry cream also helps fight frizz. It also helps with the heat. It also helps fight humidity. So you're layering up all that good shit, all of that goodness. And then I'm gonna blow dry it. And boom, you guys, that's that. As you guys can see, look at that beautiful shine, effortless, ooh, long, healthy. Look at these ends. I haven't had a cut since July, so would you look at them? Back view. Yes. Ooh. Don't you just love it? All right, you guys, until next time, all these cute little products are going to be available in my description or on my website, ikillkiki.com, with more hair care tips. You guys subscribe and don't miss the next video.